Welcome to AI Force Hub, your ultimate channel for all the latest developments in the AI space. Let's analyze the last jobs that will be replaced by AI in the near future. AI is reshaping how we work, but some roles remain uniquely human. We'll explore why certain jobs are more resistant to automation. First, let's consider jobs involving complex human interactions. This includes psychologists, social workers, and healthcare providers. These professionals deal with human emotions and ethical dilemmas. AI can assist, but it cannot replace the deep, empathetic understanding these jobs require. Next, roles that require high-stakes decision-making, such as judges and crisis managers. These positions demand moral judgment and ethical discernment, areas where AI cannot fully grasp societal values or ethical implications. Jobs in unpredictable environments are also resistant to automation. Emergency responders and construction workers operate in constantly changing settings. AI struggles to adapt as quickly and effectively as humans in such environments. Consider skilled trades like electricians and plumbers. These jobs require a level of manual dexterity and problem-solving skills that are difficult to automate. Each situation can present unique challenges that AI cannot yet handle. Lastly, educators and professional development experts. While AI can provide informational content, the nuanced feedback and personal interaction that effective education demands are best handled by humans. In conclusion, while AI continues to advance, there are jobs that rely on irreplaceable human skills and insights. These professions will likely be among the last to see full automation. Subscribe to the channel for the top AI news every day for you, and register on www.aiforcehub.com to be always updated with the latest AI news, deals, and tutorials.